गणानाम् त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्। जातवेदसे सुनवामसो ममराति यतो निदहाति वेदः स नः परिषदति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुम् दुरिताच्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णाम् तपसा ज्वलन्तीम् वैरोचनीम् कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गाम् देवीगुम् शरणमहम् प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वम् पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पूश्च पृथ्वी बकुलान उर्वी भवातोकायतनया यशयोः विश्वानिनो दुर्गः जातवेदस्सिन्धुम् ननावादुरितातिपर्षे अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानो स्माकम् वोच्छविता तनूना वृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात् सदस्तात् स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरिताच्यग्निः प्रत्नोषिकमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवम् विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यञ्जसौ भगमायजस्व गोविद्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तम् तवेन्द्रविष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम नागस्य पृष्ठमपि संवसानो वैष्णवीम् लोकैहमादयन्ताम् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गः प्रचोदयात्।
ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
जय हो मूषिकवाहन।
जय हो मूषिकवाहन।
जय हो मूषिकवाहन।
जय हो मूषिकवाहन।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
पार्वती तनया सिद्धिविनायक।
पार्वती तनया सिद्धिविनायक।
पार्वती तनया सिद्धिविनायक।
पार्वती तनया सिद्धिविनायक।
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं।
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं।
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं।
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथम वन्दना।
जय हो शिवनन्दन प्रथमवन्दना
शिवनन्दना प्रथमवन्दना
पार्वती तनया सिद्धिविनायका
पार्वतीतनया सिद्धिविनायका
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं
शरणं शरणं विघ्नहरणं
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथमवन्दना
शिवनन्दना प्रथमवन्दना
हे शिवनन्दन प्रथमवन्दना
शिवनन्दना प्रथमवन्दना
जय हो मूषिकवाहन
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
वेदरूपिणि वागेश्वरी
वेदरूपिणि वागेश्वरी
वेदस्वरूपिणि वागेश्वरी
वेदस्वरूपिणि वागेश्वरी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि परतेश्वरी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि परतेश्वरी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि परतेश्वरी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि परतेश्वरी
माता महेश्वरी मनमोहिनी
माता महेश्वरी मनमोहिनी
माता महेश्वरी मनमोहिनी
माता महेश्वरी मनमोहिनी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि नारायणी
जगदीश्वरी
साईश्वरी अम्ब जगदीश्वरी
दीनजनावनि वरदायिनी
गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी कादम्बरी अम्ब कात्यायनी कादम्बरी अम्ब कात्यायनी गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी हरिवल्लभे सुखदायिनी हरिवल्लभे सुखदायिनी ओंकार रूपिणी नारायणी ओंकार रूपिणी नारायणी भुवनेश्वरी अम्ब जगन्मोहिनी भुवनेश्वरी अम्ब जगन्मोहिनी श्रीचक्रवासिनी साईश्वरी श्रीचक्रवासिनी साईश्वरी गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी कादम्बरी अम्ब कात्यायनी गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी हरिवल्लभे सुखदायिनी ओंकार रूपिणी नारायणी भुवनेश्वरी अम्ब जगन्मोहिनी श्रीचक्रवासिनी साईश्वरी श्रीचक्रवासिनी साईश्वरी गानप्रिये साई करुणामयी
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ
देवी साई माँ
सरस्वती माँ
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ
दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी 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 माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ
दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ
दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ
सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी मात महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी मात महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगजननी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगजननी अभय प्रदाय प्रदायिनी
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि
सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी
महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी
सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी
सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी
अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगजननी
अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगजननी
अभयप्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी
अभयप्रदायिनि आनन्दरूपिणि
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी
मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि
सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनि
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनि
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
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 काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनि
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनि
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनि
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोधारिणी
जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा
जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोधारिणी
जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोधारिणी
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
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 जागो जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जागो जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगदोधारिणी माँ
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जागो जागो माँ जननी
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे दुर्गा देवी रणचण्डी देवी हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
हे शिव रमणा जागो माँ
जागो जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जागो जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी
माता दुर्गा
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
प्रेम
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
दया करो सत्य साई माँ
करो सत्य साई माँ
कृपा करो सत्य साई माँ
करो सत्य साई माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रनादनयां श्रीरङ्गदानेश्वरी दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदेवाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभव ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां तां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियां
वीणावादिनी सरस्वती माता जगत्पालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता साई माता जगज्जननी माँ हे माँ साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगज्जननी
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ लक्ष्मी माता
जगतपालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
जगतपालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
जगतपालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगजननी
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगजननी
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगजननी
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
माँ हे माँ
वीणावादिनी सरस्वती माता
वीणावादिनी सरस्वती माता
जगतपालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
जगतपालिनी लक्ष्मी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
अम्बा भवानी गौरी माता
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगजननी
साई माता जगज्जननी
साई माता जगजननी
माँ हे माँ
During Dasara, one aspect seems to be glaring, outstanding, conspicuous. What is that? Shakti, Shakti, Parashakti, Adi Shakti. People refer to divine as Parashakti. God is Parashakti, supreme power. Adi Shakti, the primordial power. So, God is worshipped as Shakti, the power or energy. Now question arises, what is the source of this energy? Where from you get the energy? Adi Parashakti, yes, Divine Mother full of power. Parashakti, supreme power. All right, what is the source of this power? The source of power is Shiva. Shakti draws its power from Shiva. Shiva Shakti. That's why in Sai Bhajans they say Shiva Shakti Swarupa. Shiva Shakti Swarupa. Because Shakti is out of Shiva. I see. Then what? Answer is simple. Shiva and Shakti are not two. Are not two. Please note this point. Because some people say, well, Shakti, 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 Om Shakti, Om Shakti. All right, where from you get it? No, some say we are Shaivites. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Very good. But all of us should understand Shiva and Shakti are one and the same. How? If Shiva is the sun, Shakti is the light. Light is not different from the sun. If Shiva is gold, Shakti is the jewel, ornament. If Shiva is the clay or mud, Shakti is the pot. Therefore, Shiva Shakti, though there are two names, both mean the same. Shakti is Shiva, Shiva is Shakti. They are not different. Sun and sunlight are not different. Jewels and gold are not different. So for practical purposes, we say Shakti, Shakti. Good. Then what next? Then what next? We have known Shiva and Shakti are one. But you see Shakti and Shiva is hidden power. Shiva Tattva, the divinity, the divine power is the undercurrent, while Shakti is the light, effulgent. You listen to the sound, but you don't see the electricity. You get the light, you don't see the electricity. It means one is seen, other is not seen. That which is seen is Srishti or creation. The entire creation, Srishti. Srishti or Shakti or Parashakti or Adishakti is entire creation. This creation came out of the Creator, Shiva. Creator, Shiva is the source. Creation is out of Creator, product of the Creator. This is Shakti. So, Creator and creation go together. Creation cannot exist without Creator. Creator will necessarily be there in creation. The entire universe, the whole of the world that we see is totally divine. Vasudeva Sarvamiti. Ishavasyam Niragam Sarvam. Etkinja Jagatchan Jagat. Tena Bunjidah. Magurdakasya Siddhanam. Ishavasyamidam Sarvam. Whole thing is divine. And in this unexpressed, unseen power is Shiva. Shiva. Experienced, seen, cognizable, enjoyable, that which comes to experience is creation, Parvati. I think I am quite clear about it. I am sorry if I put to repetition, being a teacher for 49 years only. Old habits die hard. So we go on repeating, though we know that you are all above us, great intellectuals. This 9-day celebration is called Sri Devi Navaratri. Sri Devi Navaratri celebration. Who is Sri Devi? Not film actress. What is Ratri? Meant night. Why night celebration? Why not day? Here we have to go into the meaning of it. Night stands for darkness. Darkness is ignorance. What is ignorance? Not knowing the truth. Not knowing the main source is ignorance. So, this Dasara will help us to come out of the darkness of ignorance, Ratri. Sri Devi. Devi means what? That which is expressed here. The effulgence, the light, the brilliance. Devi meaning that which is expressed. The whole nature is Devi. And Sri Devi. Then what do you mean by Sri? The divinity behind it. Sri is the divinity, Devi is expressed, Sri divinity expresses, comes to our experience through Devi. Sri is the creator, Devi is the creation, Sri is the gold, Devi jewels. So they go together. Without gold you cannot make jewels. See? So Sri Devi meaning in this nature, in this brilliance, in this radiance, we see the divinity. There's God in seas and valleys, on the mountain peaks, plant world, animal world, human society. God is present in everywhere. So, enjoying the creation with awareness of the Creator is Navaratri celebration. True celebration. What is Mahotsava? Celebration. Meaning, we understand the divinity, the Creator, as experienced in creation, Devi. That is what Sri Devi is. Now question is, there are two names. One is Sivaduti. The second, Siva Jnana Pradayini. Sivaduti means what? Duta, ambassador. Parvati or Srishti or Shakti is the ambassador of Shiva. So, Shakti is the ambassador of Shiva. So, Shiva Duti, she is the ambassador of Shiva. And also it said, Shiva Jnana Pradayini. She will help us to cultivate the essential knowledge, the Jnana of Shiva. Shiva Jnana Pradayini. Meaning, Sri Devi, the presiding deity, will help us to acquire Shiva Jnana or Brahma Vidya or Sri Vidya or Paravidya. Therefore, these two names will certainly indicate that particular point. My friends, these are all stated by Bhagavan in his divine discourses. When each one of us questioned to one's own self, how many of us are aware of the details? I am not sure. We just say, Swami car stopped there, I opened the car and gave him the flower. Is that Dasara? If you not, somebody else will open the car. Will open the door. Why? So, spirituality, essence, message is not simply that. We should go little above the spiritual depth into deeper realms to catch hold of the pearls lying within. We'll be able to see and experience this creation. And this should help us to know the Creator behind this. That is the true celebration of Navaratri. Then they see there are two things here. One is Karya, other is Karana. Karana is the cause, Karya is effect. Suppose I see some smoke there. Then what is my conclusion? My mind tells me there must be fire there. There is fire, must be. So you see the smoke. Smoke is seen, the fire is understood, and you think and come to that conclusion. There cannot be smoke without the fire. This is what is called Anumana Pramana. Anumana Pramana, meaning there must have been. You have not seen the fire. There could possibly be fire. Therefore I see the smoke. Therefore Anumana Pramana, the deduction theory. Whereas I see the mic. Is this Anumana or doubt? No, Pratyaksha, I see. So Pratyaksha is direct perception, the deduction. Pratyaksha Pramana, the direct evidence. Now, coming to this point, the whole creation is Pratyaksha Pramana. God is behind this. Anumana Pramana, Shastra Pramana, Apta Vakya Pramana. Therefore, my friends, though it's a bit serious subject, I had to speak along this line because the occasion and the subject demands this focused attention. If not here, where else you speak? You want some stories? I can tell any number of stories. Day by day, as I'm aging like anybody, I feel so sorry for not having gone depth into his philosophy, for not have gone into deeper spiritual exercise. I feel so sorry. Therefore, it is in that process I'm collecting these things, and by sharing, I'm informing myself once again. It is more a benefit to me than to you. Therefore, one thing is this, sadhana and sadhya. Sadhana is practice. Sadhya is your aim or goal. With the help of this route or a car or by bike, sadhana, you go to the destination, sadhya. Similarly, Sri Devi, sadhana takes you to sadhya Siva, Siva Duti. See that, how wonderful the concept is. Because we think there are two, what? Why don't you say, include you also, there are three? Only one. Appear as two. One example. Yes, what happens is, as we see the light, we just go on thinking of the solar system and the sun. It is the light that takes you there. Think of the sun, right? It is the sunlight that makes you see the sun. Likewise, Sri Devi takes you to Lord Shiva. Shiva and Devi are one and the same. Now, this is the point, the next development. Swami always said this. I decided to multiply myself. Swami made this statement. I decided to multiply myself, for I love myself. I decided to be many because I love myself. This is what is said. Ekoham bahusyam. One multiplied into many. That's what Bhagavan has said. Now, one multiplied into many. What is that one? That's what is called Chaitanya. Consciousness. Cosmic consciousness. Universal consciousness. Chaitanya. Shiva Tattva. the divinity of Shiva, the essence, that primordial source, out of that comes the thought. As Baba said, I wanted to become many, is a thought. Many is the one that has materialized. See that? So the thought came out of the source. That's what is called pasyanti. That the thought has come in a subtle form. That is what you call majjhama. And that subtle form expresses out in the form of entire creation, Vaikhari. Pasyanti, Majjhama, Vaikhari. How am I to say this? Example. Here is cinema projector. Out of that you get the light. Projector on the screen. You see the cinema, right? These are experience. That screen is Srishti. On the screen you find so many pictures. Srishti. Vaikhari. And then the light that comes from the projector is Majjhama. The lens of the light out of which it comes out, lens is Pasyanti. The projector is the source. Am I clear? Adi Parashakti. So there are four here. The projector, Adi Parashakti, then there is lens, the thought. What you call Pasyanti, out of which came the light. What we say Majjhama, that expresses on the screen in the form of number of scenes there, which is creation, Prapancha, Vaikhari. All this sequence is explained in Upanishad Vahini by Bhagavan himself. We don't want it, that is pity. And let him say, all right, I don't understand. So what? It's not like that. Do you understand Veda? Then why do people recite Veda? So, whether you understand it or not, at least let the thoughts come to us. Let us be in touch with the divine message. So one day or other it will sink. If not now, by His grace, it will certainly sink. Now, as I said earlier, the source, the light, screen and the pictures. Now, the point is this. Vidya means what? Vidya means the source. All the wisdom that you have relating to the source, not screen. Screen is the prapancha, world. Not the pictures on there, Srishti, not that. Not the light, not that. The projector itself, out of which light comes. The knowledge of the projector, the source of the light, is what is called Vidya or Brahma Vidya or Paravidya. All the rest of the knowledge, all the rest relating to the screen, pictures, light and lens, that is all avidya, aparavidya. That's not Brahma Vidya. That is not Sri Vidya. So now clear. One is supreme divine knowledge. The second is secular knowledge or worldly knowledge. Knowledge is in two forms now. Brahma Vidya, divine knowledge. And the second is secular knowledge, worldly knowledge. What shall I do? The secular knowledge or worldly knowledge should take me to the spiritual knowledge or Brahma Vidya. That is the purpose of this, of Navaratri celebration. One is downward movement, other is upward movement. What is the downward movement? The source, the lens, light, screen and the pictures. Source, these are the 4 steps. Well, I see the pictures. I see. Where are the pictures? On the screen. How do you get the pictures? Out of the light. Where from is the light? Through the lens. Where is the lens? It is fitted to the projector, upward movement. Therefore, downward movement, upward movement, journey is sadhana, spiritual practice. We think our sadhana is sitting silently, thinking of the whole world. That is not sadhana. Upward and the downward. Oh God, you are this. This will take me there. And come to conclusion, this and that are one and the same. I think this is different from that. That is avidya. That is secular knowledge. That is ignorance, ajnana. Ajnana, ignorance means this is different from that. This creation is different from that creator. No! Creation is the reflection of the creator. Both are one. That is Vidya. That is Brahma Vidya. That is Paravidya. Now just few lighter things, because as I understand how serious you are, because we are not used to it. We are used to lighter things, take things in a lighter way, but life is not like that. If you read the literature of Adi Shankara, we will understand what it is. If we go through a Bhagavad Gita or Upanishads, we know what it is. How Himalayan ignorant we are. To what depths of ignorance we have been in. Unless we elevate ourselves through these teachings, celebrations have no meaning. All this, Swami said in a different style. All this I spent about half an hour or so. Swami has put it in 3 words. Meaning, whole thing is put in the form of homeo pills, so 3 small pills. That's all. That is Sat Sai Baba. He alone can do it, nobody else. What did he say? What did Swami say? I wanted. I is Adi Parashakti, is Parashakti. Good. Wanted. And he willed. Sankalpa. And that want or that sankalpa is pasyanti. And that sankalpa or thought has come in a subtle form. That's called majjhama. That manifested into different pictures on the screen, Vaikhari. So I wanted to be many. I Adi Parashakti. Wanted is Ichha Shakti. And the process is what we call Jnana Shakti. And the whole pictures you find there is what we call Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti. 3 points. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. The thought and the knowledge of the thought and the expression of thought. I want to have a house, Ichha Shakti. I got all the material, bricks, cement, everything. Jnana Shakti. I built the house, Kriya Shakti. 3. These 3 are there in the material world and all of those things. Simple example. Swami wanted a university here. So, he wanted. Swami wanted, I want a university here. I want a super speciality here. I want Chaitanya Jyoti here. Meaning, I, Adi Shakti or Parashakti, Bhagavan Sri Satsai Baba, wanted Ichha Shakti. And all the people that associated with the divine mission, all the material that came here to make that into reality is Jnana Shakti. And the final shape of the university or the hospital, whatever may be, Kriya Shakti. So, the entire Prasanthi Nilayam is a combination of Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti. That's what we studied. Adipara Shakti, Pasyanti, Madhyama, Vaikari. Am I clear? That's what we have been thinking. My friends, if I could explain myself clearly, at least a few of you, I think this day is fulfilled. Is fulfilled.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपतांधवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई